عشقم. Thank you. We have good internet. Yay!
Best internet.
Wait for our
The fastest internet.
more videos.
It's right here.
Let's put that. Hop off.
Okay.
Ready?
Steady, go.
Yeah, toy.
It's not a toy.
Why?
Costs too much money to be a toy.
G, 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 G.
Heavy.
Be careful.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, be careful.
It's heavy. House. Fun.
That's our brand new satellite.
Yay!
It's gonna have good internet.
We're gonna
for
have
once.
good internet.
That's our modem.
Heavy is that? Give me, Papa.
No, that's dangerous, honey.
Why? What?
Wow. Look at the long cord. How long is it?
Like 75 feet, I think. That's my Ethernet port. I can plug my computer into that. That's into the modem. Then we're all set. Should plug it in. Take it outside. Test it. Plug it in.
Let's test it.
Cheese.
Isn't she?
Wow. So where do you gonna put that, honey?
Gonna put it on the roof.
It works.
Screw it to the roof. See the holes? See here? Right there. We screw it to the roof.
And this
And it's designed to withstand all types of weather.
Or this one.
Yeah, because I was wondering, here is so windy, right? Is it gonna be safe and okay?
Okay. It's designed for that. It's meant to withstand wind, snow, hail, everything. Probably not a little cheeky monkey though. Nothing withstands you. You.
No, you're the bottom.
Come away, please. As soon as I turn the power on, it's going to do something.
Okay.
Watch it.
Mommy.
Oh, look, Sophia, look. It's moving.
This one? Yeah?
Yeah, don't touch it. چه خبر؟
I'm going to install our Starlink satellite. Finally.
Verde.
On the roof.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You want me to help you? از این زاویه من براتون فیلم میگیرم. عشقم. What you gonna do?
Thinking where to put it.
Okay. Somewhere that works perfectly.
Okay. Maybe I'll look at the app. See. Come up here. I think we go through there. That's fine.
What are you doing?
Running the cable
Yeah?
through the chimney
Uh-huh.
in the house.
Thank you.
We don't use the fireplace, so it's safe.
Make sure you don't leave it open for the rats and stuff.
Chash,
آفرین.
our Bob.
You okay, honey?
Oh, there, it's hot up here.
Hot?
Hot!
الان رو شومینه است اونجا، از داخلش انداخت اومد، از این پایین گرفتیمش. خود سیم نمی اومد، با این سیمای نازک‌تر یه سنگ وصل کردیم انداختیم پایین. بعد که اینو گرفتیم کشیدیم، اینو بهش چسبوندیم این شکلی اومد پایین، چون دیگه این گرونه، گفتیم اینو آسیب نزنیم. خلاصه که اومد تو دیگه.
Ready to do speed test?
Yes.
And new Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Alright, connecting. Let's see how good it is after only about half an hour being connected.
Ooh.
192 megabytes per second download.
Yeah. Is that good?
Better than the 3 megabytes we were getting last.
3.
3. Upload 16 megabytes. That's good considering a day ago we were getting 0.02.
Wow.
0.02 megabytes upload.
And it's 16 now.
Now it's 16. Download we were getting 3.5 megabytes.
And now it's 100 something.
Now we've got 192.
Wow. چه خبر؟
Doing speed test on computer. Make sure it's all good. 175 megabytes download. Only 5 megabytes upload. It's obviously going to change every now and then because it's still calibrating. It's supposed to take like 6 to 12 hours or something to calibrate. But it's only been up there for about half an hour.
Okay.
But still, 175 download.
Perfect.
Finally, this is the type of internet Australia should have.
Exactly. Australia's internet is not good.
Australia's internet.
Honey, did you do these Starlink things for me or for yourself?
I did it for my family.
My self.
My family, because my wife is influencer, vlogger. She needs good internet. I did that for her. It's just for her.
Just for her.
Oh, yeah, 'cause
You're
she
not downloading a game
Because
now.
she nags all the time about how crap the internet is. So I fixed it.
Thank you.
Hi, Shimkana.
You're welcome.